Hello. 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 Well.
Yeah, I tested the student.
Okay, start. Here you go. Tanya.
I've got to make sure that she gets it.
Mm-hmm.
I told her that she's in here. Why are you filming? Is this filming? Were you standing there the whole time?
Yeah. Oh, no, not the whole time. No, I did film as well.
You're just standing there, weren't
I
you?
wasn't. You see me moving off.
You're just standing there the whole time,
No, I
weren't you?
didn't.
Liam,
What?
you did stand there the whole
No,
time,
I
didn't you?
didn't. I didn't. You see when you get home.
I bet you now, if I don't see any first you go back home, I'm going to kill you, Liam. You did stand there the whole time, didn't you? Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth.
Liam,
What?
did you move out of that seat at that position?
Yes, it is.
Many times?
Once.
Once?
Yeah. Once for a few minutes, yeah.
For a few minutes?
Yeah.
You did film her all hardly, did you?
I did.
It's her birthday, Liam. She's very important. We should focus on flaming today.
Yeah.
Apologies, folks, if Liam didn't cooperate with the filming today. But if I don't see any footage of the horses when I was gone and that, when I was gone to roll out the cards, I swear to him, I'm going to kill you.
Here's Paul now.
That's not
I think
Paul.
so. Not Paul, no. Who's that?
Paul's students.
That's not Paul. The other guy, the mayor is Paul.
Paul's students.
Huh?
Paul's students, it isn't Paul.
Paul is what?
It's one of the students.
Oh, students, yeah.
It isn't Paul. Here it up again. Here it up again.
It's 5 to 3. 3 o'clock.
Here, Flaney. Here you go, Grant. You want this? No? There you go. There you go. There you go, Flaney. 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 I said that she was 9 and he said, oh, it's an old girl. She's not old. I didn't say 9 is old.
No, no.
I call 9 that old. That's quite young still. What's 9 in you?
36.
36 to 7.
almost a battery on your camcorder.
Right.
Yeah. Support video?
I was going to flame before I go.
Yeah.
Looking for him, like if he comes back 10 years back and I get attacked.
Uh-huh. I'll get a shot of you near her, not actually at her. How's that? Okay, pause video?
Okay, folks, I'll see you later at the stand. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the footage and time with me and Flavie today on her big day, on her birthday, on her 9th birthday. And unfortunately, I never got to feed her cards, but I passed the cards to the staff, so they're going to put them into her dinner and the other horse dinners as well. And they said they'll make sure that she gets her cards as well too. So, happy birthday to you, Flavie, and a good try to get some more gas over now. So I'll see you later at the stand. So, thank you.